Are you struggling to find the option to import a CSV file into Canva Sheets? Let me show you exactly where it is hidden step by step. Once you are inside Canva Sheets, you will notice there isn't a direct button or menu to import data into your Canva sheet. Here's the trick. Click on this Actions menu or just hit the / key like this to open the Quick Actions list. From there, select the Import Data option and upload your CSV file. You can also integrate with other platforms like HubSpot or Google Analytics, but then those are all pro features. And in the free feature, you can also import Google Sheets. Now I'll click on Upload Data, choose my CSV file. That gets shown up under the Designs menu. Click on this. Canva will then ask, do you want to replace the existing page or create a new one? Just pick your option and your CSV is imported. And that's it. Your CSV is now inside Canva Sheets in just a few clicks. Please subscribe for more such Canva tricks and tips. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.